welcome to Potato Fire Reviews. Today I have the Yamaha A-S801, which is a solid-state integrated amplifier. This amplifier has been launched for a while, and on Crutchfield's website there are over 200 reviews dating back 10 years. The 801 retails for $900 and is offered in silver or black. Rated at 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 120 watts per channel at 6 ohms. There are no published ratings for 4 ohms. There are 5 RCA inputs, a moving magnet phono input, coaxial, optical, and USB input. One interesting feature of this amplifier is 2 pairs or 4 speaker output. On the front of the amplifier, there are controls for bass, treble, and loudness. At lower volumes, bass and treble frequencies can seem less pronounced compared to mid-range frequencies. The loudness control is used to boost these frequencies to restore a balanced sound. I used the Yamaha S801 for about 3 months and paired it with my KEF R3 Meta bookshelf speakers and CSS Torii Tower S4 speakers. The overall sound can be described as neutral with a touch of warmth. Treble was gentle, meaning noticeable but not overpowering or overwhelming. Mid-range was clear and detailed, neither recessed nor overly forward. Bass was very fast, however, did lack some impact and dynamics. There's a song by Teddy Swims called Lose Control, which sounded phenomenal when using this amplifier, especially when paired with the CSS Torii S4. If you like Chris Stapleton, I suggest listening to Teddy Swims as they have similarities. Overall, I appreciated this amplifier as it is well built, produces a clean sound, and very simple to use. The 801 is very powerful, and this was the first time I used an amplifier with a loudness control. The built-in ESS SABRE DAC and the phono preamplifier functioned better than expected. I do have a few drawbacks, which are, I would prefer pre-outs over the subwoofer output. I do prefer to use my subwoofer's filter options to dial in the low notes to my liking. A minor gripe about the 801 is I would prefer 4 circular knobs on the front instead of slender rectangles for the tone controls, as it gives an untidy visual and perfect design when they are not aligned symmetrically. Of all the amplifiers I reviewed, I do prefer the Van Alstyne NP1 the most. The NP1 has a more full, natural, and dynamic sound overall. Yamaha is a well-known brand, and I had the honor of listening to their flagship setup, which included the $15,000 NS5000 speakers. The Yamaha amplifier is constructed with a sturdy metal chassis and premium components, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its design is clean and sophisticated, offering a timeless aesthetic that complements most home audio systems. The build is often highlighted for its durability and the premium feel of connectors, knobs, and overall finish. I really liked that Yamaha did not incorporate Bluetooth. Bluetooth is constantly updating and in about 10 years may be unsupported by this amplifier if it had this feature. I would recommend this amplifier for someone who wants a versatile, natural sounding amplifier that would last. When I purchased this S801, I wanted the silver option, however, I did fall in love with the nostalgic design. Personally, I'd save and buy a newer model Marantz, such as the Model 60N or Model 50, as they have the state-of-the-art technology and hopefully will last, as they are one of the pioneers in hi-fi. Despite being on the market for over a decade, this Yamaha remains a strong contender among integrated amplifiers, thanks to its reasonable price and impressive sound quality. To see more videos like this, consider subscribing, and until next time, cheers.